Hello everyone, today we are going to present you a quick installation guide for this product. Before you start the setup, you need to have a few of these ready to make sure that you connect without errors. Warm notice. Keep your Wi-Fi host timer, Wi-Fi gateway, smartphone, router close to each other to ensure a strong Wi-Fi signal. How to install app on your phone. Connect your phone to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Search RAINPOINT HOME on App Store or Google Play, or scan the QR code to download the app. Submit registration or log in with an existing account. How to connect the gateway. Power on the Wi-Fi gateway with a Type-C USB cable and place it close to the router and timer. Press and hold the button until the Wi-Fi connecting indicator light flashes blue quickly. Open the RAINPOINT Home app to select Add Device. Find HWG040WLVRF and follow the app instructions to complete the connection. Open the Add Device page. Select the HWG040 device, and then choose Ethernet connection. Scan or enter the SN code on the device to proceed to the next step of device connection. Connect the Ethernet cable, plug in the Type-C USB cable to power the gateway, and when the Ethernet indicator starts blinking, the gateway enters connection mode. Then click Next to continue adding devices automatically. How to connect the timer to the gateway. Insert 4 new AA alkaline batteries into the battery compartment of the timer. Tap the gateway icon on the app homepage to enter the gateway homepage, and tap Add Device, and then tap Add New Devices to add the Wi-Fi timer. Find and select HTV245FRF to add it. Press and hold the button on the timer until the red LED indicator flashes rapidly, 2 times per second, then click Next, and it will start pairing the timer automatically. 5 Connection done. Attach the timer to the outdoor faucet, hand tighten only, and then you can program your timer on the RAINPOINT Home app. 3 Irrigation modes. Normal irrigation mode. Interval irrigation mode. Cycle and soak mode. Five watering frequencies. Everyday/odd days/even days/interval/custom. 2 ways for manual watering while not interrupting your watering schedule. (24 divided by 48 divided by 72H rain delay). Seasonal adjustment. Adjust your watering schedule by month. Create smart scene. You can make your irrigation system perfect by setting up the smart scenes.